Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna get this tree picked up, take it down to the field. Got 3 more weeks until the party, and only today and next weekend. Today's actually 4th of July, so happy 4th of July to everybody. Next week I'm here, next weekend, and then the next weekend I'm not here, I'm hiking. So got to get something done today. I had a 4-day weekend this weekend and I haven't done anything working wise at all. Been playing golf and doing other fun things. So get this tree picked up finally. I'm not gonna get it cut down before the party or anything. The other part that's still standing there, but at least pick up this pile of junk that looks stupid right here in the yard. The grass is amazing. It's really coming in good. It really needs to get mowed. That's gonna happen today too. It's really hot. It is already 85 degrees, you know, super humid to start the day. But got the excavator, got the dump truck. This should only be, you know, maybe 4 or 5 trips down to the field, which is right here. So it shouldn't take too long, but let's get it done.
Walnut.
Okay. Ready? Good girl.
well, looks like it's only gonna take 2 loads of brush and 1 load of logs, and got it all picked up. So obviously some more stuff there, but I'm just gonna regrade this once again for the 9 millionth time. This corner I've been working on since we got the excavator. It's getting pretty good. Hopefully we can get it seeded later this summer. But get it cleaned up so I get this brush knocked down one more time. There's a pile of rocks I dumped over there, get that with the wall, and this will be good enough for now. So get that done after lunch, go dump this thing, and then lunchtime, finish that up, and I got mow the lawn, finish out this 4th of July. Looks a lot better with that tree all picked up. Got the grass cut. Looks pretty good. Pretty fun 4th of July. A little warm up. Might go try to find a spot to take Puppy swimming because she rolled in something that stinks. So she either needs the bath or go swimming. So do something with that. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. New videos every Friday. So if you haven't subscribed, you should subscribe. And see you next week.